minus 3c squared plus x to the 13th power. That ought to. Space alien? You're back?
Super genius, you wouldn't have believed it. I was taking off and then all of a sudden I saw these animals with great big antlers or something on them, and they were pulling this huge sled, and there was stuff, and I almost crashed. I had to take a radical left, and stuff was flying everywhere.
Well, it flew enough to land on one of your antennae. Did you know that?
Oh my gosh, yeah, see this? There was this bag full of all this like stuff like this.
Candy canes, you got any in there?
Oh yeah, nice. You know what though?
What?
We got an emergency here. I got to get back to Bartlegon, Super Genius.
You left for that place weeks ago.
Well, I know, but that's how hard it is, and that's how far away it is. You got any plans, any ideas?
Yeah, well, I had plans. I was working on them very clearly here, but let's do something a little faster. We're gonna nip this in the bud and get you back home super fast. I got a plan for that.
Wait a minute, you have a secret formula?
I have a secret formula. That is true.
Thank goodness.
Okay, so the secret formula, you know what it's called? Division.
Deblasion?
Division.
Oh, division. Okay.
There you go.
What's that mean? What in the world does that mean?
Well, I'm going to have to show you a little bit. Do you happen to have I see you got a blackboard behind you. Got maybe a piece of chalk?
Well, let me check. Is this chalk?
Yes. Okay, well, all this hard work, that's okay. I got it in the old noodle here. So let me show you what division is. Division is a fancy word for equal groups. So you're taking a whole and then you're breaking it into parts that are equal groups. Okay, so imagine you have 12, candy canes. Okay, 12 of them. And you're going to share those between 3 people, or aliens in your case. You're going.
Hey, you know what, Super Genius? Could you call me my real name instead of alien?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be disrespectful. What is your real name anyway?
Well, my real name is Ronald Dump.
Come again?
Ronald Dump.
Sounds vaguely familiar. I'll try to remember that. So, Ronald, you're sharing your 12 candy canes between 3 people. Now, the thing is, each of these people have to have the same amount. So take that piece of chalk and will you make 3 circles like I have here? All right, now I'm going to do it wrong. Watch. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that doesn't work because they're not equal. This one has 6, that's 3, that's 3. It has to be equal in each one. So what you have to do is you have to start here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until you get to 12. Try that out.
Are you sure this secret formula will work? I've got to get back, Super Genius.
Hey, Ronald Dump, what's my name?
Oh, sorry, Super Genius. I'm going to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, guess what, Super Genius? Ronald Dump got 3 equal groups of 4. Look at this. 4, 4, 4. So I took 12, put it in 3 groups, and I have 3 equal groups of 4.
Yeah, because look, like if you put plus signs in between there, so you have a 4 plus 4 plus 4, we already know multiplication means 3 groups of 4 equals 12. Now you just turned it backwards. Now you started with the 12 and you divided that into 3 parts, and that equals 4 per group.
Wow, this is really exciting, this division. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Yeah,
Getting a message from Bartlegon. Can you hold on, Super Genius?
sure, it might be important.
Got to get my antenna back in shape here after the second crash. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. I'll let him know. I got the message, Super Genius.
Great. And is this a message for you or for the message of the children of Earth?
This is a message for the children of Earth and
okay.
the kids in second grade
Yep.
at Burroughs Elementary.
Yep. Writing it down.
Okay, getting it down. Will now spend 2 hours a day, 2 hours on Dreambox, 2 hours on Lexia, and 7 hours in small group with their teacher. That's the message we got from Bartlegon.
7 extra hours?
7 extra hours on top of what they're already doing.
Oh my goodness. The children are rioting in the streets.
You're kidding me.
Are you sure you got that message right?
Let me check. Maybe my antlers weren't reading the message correctly.
Oh, they're antlers now. I thought they were antennas.
Well, see, I saw antlers, and now I think they're antlers.
We could sing.
Got my antenna back on shape here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh. Okay. Boy, did I get that wrong. Now they're saying from Bartlegon that each student gets a piece of chocolate cake and a pony.
Well, that went over better. I can hear it from here. Well, let's hurry up and get you back home, okay? So,
Okay.
I want you, before I give you the secret formula, I need to make sure that you really understand what we're doing. Would you take that off your board, and we're going to do one more problem here, okay?
Oh, you mean a little more practice before we blast off with the secret formula, right?
We don't want to go through this again where you crash and come back and I have to erase all my hard work.
Yeah, me either. Okay. All right. Super Genius. What do I do?
This time, I want you to imagine that you have 15 pieces of chocolate cake.
So I have 15.
Yep, 15 pieces of cake. And you're going to share that with 5 earthlings.
Like that?
Yeah, that kind of looks like all your antenna. Yeah, so those are the earthlings. Now, remember, you have to start at 1 and go all the way around, start over, start over.
I don't want to mess this secret formula up.
No, you don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I've used all 15. So I have 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3.
Great. Now, write it as a division equation and we can move on. Start at 15 divided by 5 equals 3.
So right here is the secret formula.
Well, that's the secret formula for that one. But let me tell you the secret formula to get back to Bartlegon, okay? All right, you have to listen carefully. Here we go. Okay.
Me.
Got it. You got it.
All right. So, well, you know what, Super Genius? You've been a great help, and I sure hope this works this time. Now, what should I do now?
Well, Ronald Dump, I suggest you hurry on back to your spaceship, buckle up, and take off.
Okay, so if I don't see you again, Super Genius, thanks a lot. I'm going to go get in the spaceship and get ready to blast off. Okay?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Watch out for migrating geese.
I sure will. Hey!